Okay, people, congratulations on passing the audition. Now, what do these letters stand for? HVAC.
Hip Vibe at Club?
Howard vacuums ant cubicles?
Only valedictorian Axe's classmates.
Heavy vocabulary, Andrew cried.
No.
Heating, ventilating, air conditioning.
Wrong. What's that? That's right. How did you know that?
I learned it from my dad.
Well, what company does he work for?
He doesn't. He's just an HVAC enthusiast.
That's very interesting. Okay.
So, how much are we being paid for this?
$1,500 an hour. I mean, $15 an hour. Now, to continue with our lesson, we all know that heat rises, right?
Hot air rises.
Very good. Hot air rises. But what about plain old heat? What direction does it travel?
Wait, what is this about hot air and heat?
Well, it's a fundamental law of physics that we use every day in designing heating and air systems, that hot air rises.
Okay, well, why is this important?
You see, it's important to know that because it helps you determine the best place for a return air duct in a building.
She's right. Now, who can tell me what direction heat travels? Not hot air, just plain old heat.
Heat seeks cold.
Right, very good. How did you know that?
Well, all four of us are minoring in mechanical engineering at the university.
What's your major?
Digit colorization.
What's that?
You mean digital colorization.
Finger painting.
Oh, I see. Okay, back to our lesson. Now, why do we need to know that heat seeks cold?
Because that's how heat's removed from or delivered to the building.
Very good. And how do we use that information on just a simple checkup?
Well, in the heat mode, the furnace is delivering hot air that seeks out the cold air in the room.
Yeah, and in the cooling mode, the air conditioner is gathering up heat from the inside of the house and delivering it to the outside.
Boy, you guys are sharp. I can send each one of you out on your own and be sure the customer is going to get proper service.
No. We're a band, and we cannot be split up.
Oh, I see. A band. Okay. Do you guys sing hair salon? Barber shop?
Yes, we do.
That's great. All right.
How much are we going to be paid?
$15 a day.
Wait. Now, all of this just sounds like a bunch of geek speak to me. Now, let me get this straight. A home is heated by air seeking a single white female. And she's gathering the cold and taking the finger paints outside? All right, now, in the heat mode, right? In the heat mode, you measure the time it takes to drive to the hair salon?
No. Hot air rises.
And in the cool mode, we measure how far air travels in a distance on $15 a day?
No. Hot air rises.
Heat seeks cold.
In the summer, heat's removed from the building.
In the heat mode,
Hot air rises.
In the cooling mode.
Yeah, and in the cooling mode,
How much are we going to be paid?
$15 a day.
The concept of airflow and heat transfer is really very simple.
Heat seeks cold.
Is really very simple.
Heat seeks cold.
Wait.
Airflow and heat transfer
$15 a day.
is really very simple.
Heat seeks cold.
And when the thermostat is turned up, it actually produces a rarefied blend of Woody's mashed yeast?
To err is human.
Well, seems to be working fine. I can't find anything wrong with it.
Try this.
Call Bikini Aire and we'll have a fully certified surf bunny at your door before you can say tsunami.
I'd like to sock it to Bikini Aire.
If you don't do it, someone else will.
Song title. That gives me an idea. And I'll be back in a few.
Wait. Don't be back with a few too many.
I won't. Yoo-hoo! Derry Air Crew! This is my best idea yet. It's working for Bikini Aire and it'll work for us. Where is everybody? Lips, Plank! Meadow, Linda!